Hey, it's George again, here with the third video for section 4.4, our law of logs. This video is actually highlighting just one important feature of logs, which is the change of base formula. So, as you guys know by now, I don't spend really any time doing derivation of formulas, going through how the formula was created by someone. In this case, I am. Again, it's a short video, you can see from the timestamp, but I want you to see how it is that the formula I'm going to give to you actually comes about. Why does it even work? Well, let's say that we had y is equal to log base b of some value x. So sometimes we might be working with a base that's hard to work with. Like if we can get things with base 2, sometimes that's easier. 2 to what power gives us a number. If we had things like 7s or even bigger numbers, 12, things of that nature, trying to figure out those numbers to what power would give us some other number can be a little difficult. So what change of base formula does is allows us to change the order of some things and pick some different numbers, but it'll still give us the same answer. So this thing, if we think back to our Holy Grail, really means what? This means, if I bring this over, that b to the y power is equal to x. So, just as if I have some other equation, if I square both sides, it ends up the same. If I take the square root of both sides, as long as I'm doing the same function to both sides, it's okay. So that's what I'm going to do now. I have this equation, which came from my original, but what I'm going to do is take log base a of both sides. So as long as I apply the same function on both sides of the equal sign, it's okay. Well, now, using my law of logs, I can bring this y out in front. So the left side becomes y log base a of b is equal to log base a of x. And now, if I want to get y by itself, I divide both sides by log base a of b. So this gives me that y is equal to log base a of x over log base a of b. So I started with y is equal to log base b of x. Maybe those numbers didn't really work for me. I couldn't figure out any way to create an exponential with one or another. So now with my change of base formula, I can take log, pick my own base, whatever you want. 2, 10, e, whatever base you want is fine. As long as it's the same in numerator and denominator, log base a of x, the value you started with here, log base a of b, whatever your base originally was here. So that's it. Super quick video talking just about the change of base formula. How do we arrive at it so that if we ever need to use it, you're able to utilize it based on that information. So that's it. That's the end of the videos, excuse me, for 4.4. Come on back, we'll look at 4.5, which will wrap up chapter 4 for us.